Today we are here in District 14 to view a 2-bed plus study unit spanning 667 square feet in 1635 residences. Hi, I'm Elaine, real estate consultant from Propseller. If you are looking for a beautiful home in the city fringe surrounded by amenities, I'm sure you'll want to stick around. Let's go! Situated in the rest of the central region in Singapore, 1635 residences falls within District 14, encompassing Eunos, Geylang and Paya Lebar. It is a 99-year leasehold development completed in 2021. As a low-density project, it offers just 60 exclusive residential units. Conveniently located on the city fringe in the heart of Geylang, the development is surrounded by a wealth of amenities. Within a 200-meter radius, you'll find a plethora of eateries and coffee shops. For all your grocery needs, head over to the 24-hour FairPrice located just across the main road from the development. That's not all. The 3 mega mall at Paya Lebar, PLQ Mall, Paya Lebar Square, and SingPost Centre is just a 7 minutes walk away, offering a diverse range of retail, dining, and grocery options. There, you will also find the Paya Lebar MRT interchange, linking both the East-West line and Circle line. 4 train stops down the East-West line will bring you to Bugis MRT, connecting you to the downtown line, and 8 train stops down on the Circle line will bring you to Dhoby Ghaut MRT. For drivers, getting into the central business district will be a breeze, with just a 15-minute drive via Nicoll Highway. In terms of schooling options, there are plenty to pick from within a kilometer radius including Geylang Methodist Primary and Secondary School, Kong Hwa School, Broadrick Secondary School and Tanjong Katong Secondary School. As you can see, 1635 Residences is strategically located to offer great convenience and accessibility to its residents. Now, let's take a look at the unit. The unit we are touring today spans 667 square feet and offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a handy study area. Let's check it out. Stepping in, we are greeted by this sleek open concept kitchen. It's fully equipped with built-in appliances, ample countertop, and storage spaces. Just next to it, it is the living and dining area. It is elongated and spacious. Plenty of room to relax, dine and entertain. Now here's something versatile, the study area. If you find yourself working from home frequently, this will be especially useful for you. Depending on your lifestyle, you could also convert this space into a dining area, giving you more room to expand your living space. Now, let's take a look at the pricing analysis of our unit compared to the other 2-bedroom listings in 1635 Residences. At the time of filming, we discovered 7 competing listings for 2-bedroom apartments, priced between $1,602 and $1,987 per square foot. Our unit, spanning 667 square feet, is listed at $1,619 per square foot, positioning it as the second most competitively priced unit in this development. Furthermore, if you are purchasing this property for rental purposes, a 2-bedder in 1635 Residences commands an average rental per square foot of $5.80. Multiplying that by our unit size, spanning 667 square feet would give us an average rental income of $3,868. So, taking the gross rental income multiplied by 12 months and dividing that by our listing price of $1,080,000 would give us a rental yield of 4.3%, which is way above the typical rate of 3%. Regardless of purchasing this unit for your own stay or investment purposes, our property stands out as an attractive option for your consideration. Next, let's check out the 2 bedrooms. Both bedrooms are generously sized, with the master being slightly larger. There's more than enough space to comfortably fit a queen-size bed and a full-height wardrobe. The master bedroom also enjoys direct access to Jack and Jill bathroom, which means it's connected to the living area as well, adding that extra touch of convenience. 1635 Residences offers standard condominium facilities for its residents to enjoy. Go for a relaxing swim in the lap pool or work up a good sweat in the gym. Residents will also find a barbecue pit and dining area to host parties and gatherings. And that's all we have for today. Thank you for staying tuned on this home tour. To schedule a viewing for this beautiful home at 1635 Residences, do contact my team at Propseller today. If you want to see more of these exclusive home tour videos, do subscribe and click on the notification bell below.